Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The adverse remarks were communicated to the petitioner via letter dated 17/4/2007. Stop. The petitioner filed a representation praying that the adverse remarks be expuned. Stop. The petitioner appended data pertaining to disposal of cases, a letter addressed to the Bar Association, Panchkula, seeking a resolution from members of the Bar Association, Panchkula, about his integrity. A resolution passed by the District Bar Association, Panchkula, expressing its opinion that the petitioner is an upright and honest officer, and comments forwarded by the petitioner in response to a transfer petition filed against him. Stop. The petitioner also alleged that the adverse remarks are the result of malafide of respondent number 3, a practicing advocate who had filed a transfer petition against the petitioner. Stop. Para. The representation was rejected by a detailed order passed by the administrative judge after affording an opportunity of personal hearing to the petitioner. Stop. The order need not be reproduced in extenso, but a relevant extract from the order reads, I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document. High Court, Chandigarh. Stop. The report regarding integrity of the officer is based upon consideration of the inputs received as administrative judge of Panchkula Sessions Division from the general public, litigants and advocates. Stop. Regarding these, the complainants are generally reluctant to come in open or file complaints. Stop. Therefore, I do not find any merit in the present representation. The same is filed. Stop. Para. The petitioner's representations along with orders rejecting the representations were thereafter placed before a committee of judges specially constituted to address grievances of judicial officers. Stop. The committee rejected the representations by recording. Stop. Adverse remarks communicated to him for the year 2006 and 2007, keeping in view the views expressed by Honorable Administrative Judge in his office note. Stop. The committee fully endorses the views expressed by Honorable Administrative in his aforesaid office note. As such, for the reasons I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document, High Court, Chandigarh, recorded therein, the committee is of the view that there is no merit in the representation of the officer. Stop. Para. The matter was thereafter placed before the full court on 10/07/2009. Stop. The full court requested the committee to consider the request of the officer for a personal hearing. Stop. The committee reassembled and after affording an opportunity of personal hearing to the petitioner on reiterated its decision. Stop. The petitioner submitted another representation which was placed before Honorable the Chief Justice. Stop. The representation was ordered to be placed before the full court. Stop. The full court wide order rejected the representation and affirmed the annual confidential report for the year 2006-2007. Hence, the present petition has taken us through the entire record, particularly the impugned adverse report, the representations made by the petitioner, the orders rejecting his representations, orders passed by the administrative committee, orders passed by the full court, as well as other relevant documents and pleadings, and contended that a dispassionate appraisal of the entire record would raise inference of a malified exercise of administrative powers, bias, or at least a real possibility of bias. Stop. I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document. High Court, Chandigarh, argued that though an annual confidential report is recorded in exercise of administrative power, but where the administrative judge proceeds to record an adverse comment, it is imperative that reference be made to material available or circumstances that support the adverse comment. Stop. A perusal of the adverse report, orders passed by the administrative judge while rejecting the petitioner's representations, orders passed by the administrative committee, and orders passed by the full bench do not contain reference to any material that could even remotely suggest that the integrity of the petitioner is doubtful. Stop. It is further argued that the adverse report is the outcome of malafides of the advocate respondent number 3, who is a close friend of the administrative judge. Stop. A perusal of the reply filed by respondent number 3 bears out the proximity between respondent number 3 and the administrative judge. Advocate filed an application for transfer of a civil suit pending before the petitioner. Stop. The district judge, Panchkula, asked the petitioner to furnish his comments. Stop. The petitioner, while furnishing comments, made certain remarks against respondent number 3. Stop. The remarks enraged respondent number 3, who threatened to get even with the petitioner and thereafter poisoned the mind of the administrative judge, leading to the adverse report. Stop. The petitioner's allegation of bias is borne out from the order rejecting his representation. Stop. The administrative judge has referred to certain facts stated to have been disclosed by the petitioner during personal hearing that were never disclosed, thereby clearly indicating a biased mind influenced by extraneous. I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document. High Court, Chandigarh, consideration. A reference in the order rejecting the representation to an unfair means case against the petitioner while he was appearing in the civil service preliminary examination 1989 clearly reveals a biased mind bent upon punishing the petitioner. Stop. The fact that while rejecting the second representation, an inquiry was ordered in a complaint that had already been withdrawn fortifies the plea of bias. Stop. It is further submitted that though an annual confidential report is recorded in discharge of administrative duties, and is based upon subjective satisfaction of the reporting officer, but where material exists to indicate or possibility of such an adverse report has to be set aside. Stop. It is further submitted that the adverse report does not refer to any complaint or material received by the administrative judge from any member of the public, a litigant, or an advocate, or to any rumor against the integrity of the petitioner. Stop. It is further submitted that bias is evident from that fact that the administrative judge ordered that allegations in criminal miscellaneous number M27252 of 2008 be investigated, despite the fact that the said petition had already been withdrawn on the judicial side and had been considered and filed on the administrative side by the administrative judge who succeeded the administrative judge concerned. Stop. The persistence of the administrative judge in pursuing his agenda against the petitioner continued unabated and eventually led to rejection of the petitioner's representations after a period of about 5 years. Stop. The petitioner has been demoted to the rank of civil judge senior division due to interference by the administrative judge, though in the case of other officers this course has not been. I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document High Court Chandigarh adopted. Stop.